Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, that is Learn Computer Science with Manik Sharma. In this video I am going to share two important and interesting aspects of R language. Firstly, we will see how the statistical function can be performed over a vector. Secondly, a very important aspect of data analytics, that is handling missing data, will be discussed. In the first part of this video, we will understand these concepts theoretically. The practical implementation of these aspects have been given at the end of this video for your convenience. Before starting this video, you must have some basic knowledge of vector. If you are not comfortable in vector operation, then please do watch my earlier video on vectors. The web link of the same has been mentioned in the description section of this video. Let us start this session. As discussed in earlier video of vector operations in R, we know that a vector can be created using C function. A vector of first 10 natural numbers can be created by writing the statement V is equal to C bracket start 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 bracket close, or V is equal to C bracket start 1 colon 10 bracket close. Our standard installation contain wide range of statistical function that helps in performing different basic statistical operation. Some of the basic statistical function available in our language are sum. It can be used to find the sum of all the elements of a vector. Min can be used to find the minimum value from all of the elements of the vector. Max can be used to find the maximum value from all of the elements of a vector. Mean is used to compute the average of all the elements of a vector. Median is used to compute the median of all the elements of a vector. SD can be used to compute the standard deviation of vector's element. Var is used to compute the variance of all the elements of the vector. Likewise, summary, it will provide summary, that is min, first quartile, median, mean, etc. The implementation of these statistical functions have been given at the end of this video. Now let's move to the second aspect of this video, that is missing data. Missing data plays a significant role in statistics as well as in computing. It is very important to handle missing data value in data analytics. In R language, the missing data can be represented using two different ways, that is by using NA and null. In data, there can be several missing value for different reasons. Normally, a statistician represents missing value by using different notation like dot, hyphen, and sometimes a number 99 is also used for the same. In the last video, we have discussed vector and its operation. In vector, the missing value can be represented using NA, and the same can be tested using is.na function. Let's consider a vector A is equal to C bracket start 1 2 3 NA 5 6 NA 7. The missing value in this vector A can be easily detected using is.na function. For this, one has to write the statement is.na bracket start name of the vector, that is A, and bracket close. This function will return true for missing value as shown below. You know, the mean function can be used to find the average of a vector. So to find the mean value of the vector, we simply have to write the statement mean bracket start name of the vector or the vector name. However, what will happen if there are missing values in the vector? If we try to calculate the mean of above mentioned vector A, then the output will be NA. Yes, NA. The answer will be NA since mean function will return NA even if a single element in the vector is NA. So the question that strikes in our mind, that how we will find the mean of such a vector, that is how to handle these missing value. Don't worry, for this purpose we need to remove NA from the vector. For this, we have to write the statement like mean bracket start name of the vector, that is A, comma na.rm is equal to true bracket close. Now in this way, you will be able to get the desired output. The same is true for other statistical function like sum, min, max, var, and SD. The detail of null will be discussed in the upcoming video. Let us see how these statistical function and missing data are actually handled in RStudio. Let us see how these statistical functions are actually executed in our environment and how the missing values are actually handled in our language. So let us first create a vector, say a vector v, by using C function. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So to create a vector comprises of first 10 natural numbers, we need to write in this way. So to print, we need to write a v. So let us run this. So now we are getting the output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Likewise, we can also create vector by using the range operator. Now we need to write v. So again, to check, now you can verify that the same output has been generated by using the colon operator. Now to find the sum of all the elements of vector v, we need to write sum of v. It need to be noted that you need to write sum in small letters only. So sum of v, so run, we are getting the output 55. Likewise, the main function will return the minimum value for the vector, that is 1. Similarly, max function is used to find the maximum value. Now you can check that 10, which is maximum value. To find average, we need to use mean function. So this will compute the average. So that is 5.5. Similarly, you can check the median by writing median v. So that is 5.5. Then standard deviation. So for standard deviation, we need to write SD function. So SD standard deviation, now we can run, and the standard deviation is 3.02765 for the vector v. Similarly, to find the variance, that is square of standard deviation, we can use VAR function. So that is square of standard deviation, so you can check, that is 9.166, so which is square of 3.02. So then to find the summary, so we need to write summary and name of the vector, that is v. So it will give us summary of different statistical measure: min, first quartile, median, mean, third quartile and maximum. So in this way we can execute different statistical functions. So now let's see how to represent the missing values in the vector. Let us create another vector, say a vector A, by using NA 1, 2, 3. So we are writing NA, that is not available, missing value 5, 6, NA and 7. Now you can check this vector by run. So 1, 2, 3, then NA, 5, 6 and then NA. So NA represent the missing value. So the missing values can be checked, can be easily detected using is.na function. So what we need to write? We have to write is.na A. Now Let us check. Now how you can detect the missing value? So you can observe that for 1, 2, 3 the value is false, but for NA the value is true. It means NA is a missing value. Again 5, 6, that is false and false. Again for NA we are getting the true value. So in this way, so we are able to detect the missing values in the vector. Now the another very important aspect, that is how to execute the statistical function over a vector that comprises missing values in the form of NA. Now if we simply write mean of A, so what we will get? We know that mean is used to provide the average. Let us execute this and see, we are getting NA. Why we are getting NA? Because a vector A comprises two different not available values, missing values. So two missing values are there. So how to get rid of this problem? So for this we need to exclude the missing value. That can be done by writing mean of A, and we need to remove, so we need to write na.rm is equal to true. So let us check. Now we are getting 4. So that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. 7, 6, 13, 18, 21, 23 and 24. And these will be divided by 3, 4, 5, 6, and we are getting the value 4. So in this way, so we can represent the missing value and we can perform the statistical function over a vector that comprises of missing value in terms of NA. I hope that each and every aspect of this session will be clear to all of you. Please like and share this video. Update and technical insight of computer science, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.